Hello, everyone. Hello. Well, more people will join us as we go, but I just want to kind of do a quick introduction. And I want to thank you for coming to Aquillius. So hopefully everyone here has kind of gone back and toured our facility. So one of the reasons why we created Aquillius, Leah back there, she and I met 20 years ago in graduate school. We both got our PhD in pharmaceutical science and also did 10 plus years in academia trying to develop our own therapies and struggled, I think, like with a lot of you guys, experience of trying to how to move our technology forward and develop it and get it out to the market. And lo and behold, in 2015, we co-founded with another co-founder, Biotech. It's also located here in San Diego, and we specialize in manufacturing and assembly of microelectronics. And so we make the very small, miniaturized, implantables, wearable sensors. And it really opened Leah and my eyes into medical devices because that wasn't what we did. We did a lot of therapies. And we went, how sexy is this? In 2 to 5 years, we can get a technology out in the market compared to therapeutics. Therapeutics can take, 100 years before something gets out there. And so we went, oh, this is very interesting. And then, but the same thing kept creeping up, which was how the startup ecosystem was very disjointed, how the founders felt very isolated, and they're always trying to reinvent the wheel again and again. And so we created Aquillius to really form that collaborative ecosystem. How can we come together to help each other out? Because the end goal for us is to help startups succeed so that we can get your technology out into the market. It needs to get into the hands of the patient, into the hands of the end users. If it just gets stuck inside the 4 walls of your brain or gets stuck inside the 4 walls of this building, we've done no one any good. So can we create a win-win situation so that we can actually get technologies out there? And so this is why we created Aquillius, is to provide the resources, the connections that you guys need, and hopefully the network of investors to provide you the monies to be able to drive the technology forward. And so Leah back there, she is the MP of our Aquillius Ventures, and we are fundraising right now. And we're looking for LPs and strategic LPs to really be able to drive what it is that we're trying to build. So you guys went back there, you saw our lab spaces, but we go beyond just lab spaces. We actually have a design house of over 60 engineers. So if you need to working on hard tech, a medical device, we have that team to come in and help you with that engineering. We're forming relationships with regulatory people. Galina's out here, and there's a local San Diego, so hopefully in a few minutes she can kind of talk about that resources of a group of regulatory experts to help startups. We're also locally in San Diego, there is Shauna from Beanstalk Ventures. She is one of 8 FDA approved regulatory services that can fast track the development of medtech and diagnostics. We're hoping to form relationships with manufacturers so that we can help streamline everything. So you guys want to get your technologies out to market. What does that mean? 100 people? 1,000 people? Millions of people. In order for you to get it to millions of people, what does that mean? You need to be able to manufacture your technology. Why is it that you're waiting into way late in the game to talk to these manufacturers? You need to talk to them now, because some of them have the secret sauce. Some of them have that vector that can improve your therapy by 2x while you're struggling at your lab bench just trying to make 1 milligram. They can help you improve that. Some of them need to look at your design of your device to make sure it's designed for manufacturing, because 5-10 years later, they can only produce 100 a month. What does that do to anyone? We need to be able to mass manufacture your technology so it can get into the hands of the people that you want it to help, right? So think about that now. And this is one of our strategic angles, is to form those manufacturing partnerships now so that we are helping you guys to get to there where you need. Symbiosis is something that we came up with because we started noticing what's going on in the ecosystem. How many of you guys have gone to events? Hopefully every single person is raising up their hands. You go to events to meet someone. And do you guys get to meet that someone most of the time? Very rarely. Because in a room of 300 people, you're most likely talking to like 5 people, right? So as a founder, the expert that you need to find is somewhere out there in that sea that you're finding a hard time to meet. On the other side, for experts, you want to find, but again, they're probably way back there in that corner looking at that phone, and they're not even talking to you. You're not meeting them. So how can we break through that barrier a little bit? And this is why we created Symbiosis. So the point here is that it's a platform that's using AI to match you guys together.
Meeting is being recorded.
And so if you guys don't mute, okay, thank you. So what we saw was just this disconnectedness, and so we are creating Symbiosis. It's a beta form. The concept here is, as a founder, you come in, you enter in your information, you enter in your job that you need, your project. For us, a project is the expert that you need. If you're developing a medical device, are you looking for the mechanical engineer? Are you looking for the industrial engineer? Are you looking for someone who can do your PCB boards for you? Are you looking for a regulatory person? If your therapy is that the scientist, the biologist, the chemist, whatever that expert always somewhere. So you can go in, you define what you need. You can say, hey, you have money, this is what you're willing to pay, or you're bootstrapping it, you're willing to give up equity into your company. On the expert side, they can come in and they can say, I have a family to feed. I need to look for jobs that is paying me, so they can go in and look for that one that matches them. Or they can say, hey, I have a great sugar mama. I have a great sugar daddy who's going to take care of me. I can go and help somebody. But as an expert, you kind of working for a company, it's very risky because will they be successful or not? So what we're designing is a pooled equity program. So the concept behind that is Jennifer over here can go and help out 10 companies, and she's getting equity into those 10 companies. And the 10 companies she's helping in are all life science company. I go and I help 10 other companies, and they're all in medtech. Paul here goes and he helps 10 companies in fintech, right? Shin's going to go work for and help some company in SaaS. We all put all of our equity into a pool so that we're sharing the risk. 10 years from now, all 10 of my company bankrupts, all 10 of Jennifer's bankrupts, but Shin, one of his hits a unicorn. Great, we all share in that. The point here is to de-risk experts' involvement in startups. 2, to encourage community, right? Just because I'm a scientist doesn't mean I know how to do that type of experiment, but I know somebody else who can. Wouldn't you rather be connected with that expert to truly help you out and drive your success than me just wasting 6 months trying to figure it out? So that's what we're trying to encourage here with Symbiosis. Let's help each other along, create this community so that we can uplift and support the startups and get them to be successful. My dream is Symbiosis becomes global so that one day our startup here in San Diego can meet someone in Korea and saying, hey, you're the world expert in pancreatic disease. Can you come onto my team and give me advice? And here's some equity into my company. Right? If they can get there faster, quicker, isn't this what we're trying to do? Is to get our technology out there so we are helping the humankind, the planet. So this is us. And so online, we have some experts in here. We have some experts, and the idea of Symbiosis is a company's coming in, and you're just showcasing where you are, what is it that you're creating, and what is the help that you're needing. This is not about money, but who's to say there's investors out there who's interested. And so this is us. And so today we have 10 startups from Korea, and they will talk about their technology. So while I'm pulling that up, let's pass the microphone, and everybody can just quickly introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Jeff Lee, and coming from South Korea, and CEO of Dantix Biomed, and thank you for giving me this kind of honorable opportunity. And yeah, I hope we can do great cooperation in SIMBIOSYX and getting great relationship for future business plan. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Il-Hwan Oh, the CEO for Rujen Farm. My company is showing there. And today it's my honor to be here, and it's a pleasure to meet many of you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Paul Young-ho Kim from Etjin. Sorry about that. And nice to meet you all. And I'll be present our company later. Our company deal with mitochondrial genetic disease gene therapies.
Hi, my name is Francisco Valle, and I founded a company 23 years ago to help people in startups or established companies to grow. And how, first is what to do, and then how to do it to grow. And that's what I did. Thank you for inviting me.
Hello, I'm Shin, founder and CEO of Alex Lab. So my company is manufacturing the equipment and disposable kits and AI for the automation of a non-clinical trial for novel drug discovery and development. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Hey, my name is Youngmin Cho. Actually, I came from the same company, Alex Lab, with the CEO of the scene. I'm very happy to meet you all and hope to have the strong connection from now on. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Galina Graham. I love connecting regulatory professionals with startups, and we also offer pro bono work. So really happy to be here, and thank you so much for this opportunity.
Hello everyone, I'm Hwa-jung Kim, CEO from Mikorapa. I'm also tuberculosis man because my company is making the TB vaccine or TB vaccines to make a TB-free world. Nice to meet you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jihyun Lee. I'm CSO of the Biotech. My company is working on the molecular glue, making the therapeutics, innovative therapeutics. And thank you for inviting me here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jay Park, a managing partner at Linkoros. So Linkoros is the consulting firm to support Korean companies to explore U.S. market. So Linkoros means link Korean business to the U.S. market. So I'd like to thank you to Mi-Fong and Leah for preparing all the great events. So I think that we forgot to give them a big applause. So please join me to give her a big applause. Thank you so much. So, and we expect more and more collaboration between Korean biotech and Korean medtech, Korean startup companies with the ecosystem built by the Aquillius in the west coast of the United States. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tae Jung-ho of the Hard Science CEO. Yeah, I'm very delighted to come here finally, and all you guys meet here. It's very a pleasure to me. And let's look my presentation. I will introduce my company, and I come here with my company members.
Hello, my name is Herin No. I work at Hard Science with CEO Tae Jung-ho. And yes, thank you for inviting me.
Hi, my name is Ari Kim. And our company is for 3D organoid platform. So thank you for this opportunity to learn the US state and the biotech startup. And yeah, let's focus our presentation, please. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sunny Hong. I always would like to introduce myself after Jihoon Park because they usually introduce our company because we work together. These Korean companies today, I'm going to also introduce our company a little bit more. So I will look forward to connect with you all here. And thank you so much for coming and listening to this pitching. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abhay Kumar. I live in San Diego, and welcome to San Diego from far away. I am a retired corporate development executive, retired from Thermo Fisher and then Danaher, and currently I'm advising startups.
Hello, my name is Bongo Go. I'm the R&D director in the Edgin. My career is based at for their protein-based and gene therapy. And at Edgin, I am developing the for gene editing therapy. So I hope find some promising collaboration opportunity in this program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dan Yoon. I'm a retired finance executive. Also Korean American, so I guess a curious member of the audience.
My name is Richard Ackerman. I'm the founder of WorldMine, and we provide AI-assisted writing for regulatory submissions. Welcome all to come here.
Hello, I'm Sue Choi. I'm CEO of Aetium Bio. Aetium Bio is a Korean-based non-clinical stage bio startup. We develop first-in-class antibody therapeutics to treat solid cancers who is not responding current immunotherapy. Great to be here, and thank you for the opportunity.
Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to meet you. I'm Sung Hwan. Welcome to San Diego. And then I'm an engineer, and I work for a startup company called Biotech Labs. And then also previously, I also worked for another startup company, Nanoselect Biomedical, for 13 years. So basically, I'm developing biotools for life sciences and then also medical device development. So I love to bring product to the market, and very excited to just meeting every one of you today. And then, yeah, hopefully I can share some insights with you today. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Omar Kazi. I'm a Director of Business Development for Bioduro. We're a contract research, development and manufacturing organization. We're US-based with significant operations in China, and I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Hui Lan. I'm a process development scientist here.
Hello, my name is Seung-Jae Lee. I work for Aquillius Bioscience. We focus on multi-specific antibody platform, and thank you for the opportunity.
Hello, this is Jin Kim. We are working in the same companies. So we are developing the T-cell engager based on multi-specific antibodies. Usually, the company is developing the bispecific, but what we are developing is trispecific and tetrapenta. And so we will show you what we are doing right now. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Jin. I'm a founder and CEO of Acello. We are developing AI models to design DNA payloads for applications in cell and gene therapy. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jay, and I'm a director at Acello, and I'm working on preclinical studies. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, this is Young-Sul Lee. I am based in San Diego. I am doing a cross-border business between the Korea and the US, and welcome all of you. And then I hope you to enjoy San Diego life in the next week. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ingemar Pedron. I work for Bioduro, just like Omar, a contract research, development, and manufacturing organization. I work for the CMC business unit, and we really specialize in small molecule oral solid dosage forms, particularly in solubility and bioavailability enhancement, formulation development, and process R&D. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Fouquier, and I developed a software tool that helps find key drivers of research outcomes, and it's very broadly applicable. And if anyone has longitudinal data, it finds order-dependent categorical variables, and that's completely novel software method.
All right, anyone else?
Hi everyone, my name is Janelle. I am a scout and investor for 2 different firms that are interested in women's health tech and also for biotech in general. Happy to meet you all.
Is that it?
Okay, thank you. Hold on to the mic.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. So we will start. Each company has 10 minutes. So 3 to 5, they get a total of 10 minutes. However they want to utilize it, they may. So 3 to 5 minutes pitch, and then the rest is Q&A. We have 10 companies, so we're going to keep this on pace because there's a soccer game I hear that people want to watch, and we're going to show it here. And then I think we have, yes. Wait, say this again. Soju? Soju?
Is that correct? Soju and tequila.
So the game, so I'm told the game here is when Mexico scores, we have to drink tequila. Tequila. When Korean scores, you have to drink soju. Okay. Okay. So first company is Reginald Farm.